Good evening, everyone. It is midnight, silent around, but learning has no time limits. Today, in next 3 minutes, I'm going to make you the champion on how to diagnose chamber enlargement on ECG on the Incus app. Welcome to all. Basically, right atrial enlargement. How do you see? P pulmonale. Normally, this is the P wave, then this is the QRS complex. But when you go to lead 2, if the P wave is peaked like this, where the P wave amplitude in the lead 2 is more than 2.5 millimeters, 2.5 small boxes. In the lead 2, you call P pulmonale, which is the sign of the right atrial enlargement. For example, if there is a hypertension, pulmonary hypertension, there is a back pressure on the right side of the heart, on the right ventricle, on the right atrium, and that leads to right atrial enlargement. Similarly, if there is any tricuspid regurgitation, then there is a right atrial enlargement leading to the P pulmonale in the lead 2, a tall P wave. Then how do you identify left atrial enlargement? That's called P mitral, just like McDonald's sign in the lead 2. The P mitral looks like, P wave looks like a McDonald's yum sign. The P wave in lead 2 become notched, and also it is more than 120 milliseconds in duration. That is how you identify left atrial enlargement. Whereas in the case of the lead V1, if there is left atrial enlargement, then the P wave will show a biphasic wave, and the negative part of the deflection of the biphasic wave, this is actually the P wave, this is QRS, this is the P wave. The negative limb typically become very much deep. It is more than 1 millimeter in amplitude and more than 40 milliseconds in duration, the negative deflection. So that is how you recognize the enlargement of the left atrium in the lead V1 whenever there is left atrial enlargement, as in the case of the mitral stenosis. That is all.